Today we're working on our F minor scales. Welcome. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. Today we're going to talk about F minor and all of its forms, natural, harmonic, and melodic. I do post timestamps if you want to skip ahead to one of those in the comments below. And I also post all of my fingerings and the notes on Patreon, and we would love to have you join us at that community. Without further ado, let's get on to our scale. We're going to start with natural minor. F natural minor shares a key signature with A flat major, which has 4 flats: B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. So we do have a lot of accidentals to worry about in this one. On the way up, our notes are F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, and F flat. So you can imagine that you're playing an A flat major scale, but you're just starting on F. It will get you the same result. We're going to hold each note right now for 4 counts, then we'll do 2 counts and 1 count. I'm always encouraging you to hear those notes or those intervals in your head before you play them, and I'm going to call out each note before we play it. So let's get started. We're going to hold out that F for 4 counts. Ready? And G, A flat, E flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F. Back down, E flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, B flat, A flat. So for this scale I didn't mention, but I shift after C on the A string, I shift up to 3rd position to play that D flat, E flat, F. We're now going to do that 2 beats per bow, and I'm going to put my drone on F, and I want you to really focus on trying to play right in tune with that drone note. So same scale, 2 beats per bow. Ready? Great, now we're going to do that same scale, 1 beat per bow, and you got to think a little bit faster to hear that note ahead of time, but again, it's only whole steps or half steps that we're listening for. So that whole step is like happy birthday, so that's a whole step, and then jaws, bottom, is a half step. So same scale, and let's try to hear those pitches before we play them. 1 beat, ready, go. this is the one that has the augmented second in it. So between D flat and E natural, which used to be E flat, that's our augmented second. When I'm on the A string doing those intervals, after I play C natural, I'm going to play D flat with 3. Then I'm going to shift up to third position for that E natural, play my F to finish the scale, and then shift back down the same way. So it's 3, 2, shift back down to first position, low 3, 2. So let's try this one, still 4 beats per bow, and I'll call out the notes before we get there. Starting on F is G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E natural, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, low 3, D flat, shift up to E, back down, shift to D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E natural, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F. So same idea, we're going to put our drone on. I'm going to drone a 5th this time, so my drone notes are F and C. And keep working to hear that pitch before you play it. 2 beats. Ready? D flat, E natural, shift, shift, I'd be interested to know if it's easier for you to play in tune with the drone, or if it's easier for you to hear the pitches with the drone on, or if it's more difficult. So post in the comments below which one is which for you. So we're going to move on to same scale, but 1 beat per bow. Keep working to hear those pitches before you play them. Ready? Go. Let's finish off this series with our melodic minor scale. This one's the one that has 2 forms. So on the way up, it's going to be very similar to F major. So we have F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E natural, F. And on the way back down, it's just natural minor. So that's the one that's got those 4 flats we have to worry about. So it's B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat on the way back down. And I'll call out the notes on the way up for the first time. We're going to hold each note 4 beats per bow. Ready? Go. G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, shift D, Let's try that same scale, 2 beats per bow, and really work on hearing those pitches, either the whole step or a half step on the way up, and on the way down, when it's all those 4 flats, really pre-think it to be on the low side for those flats descending. 2 beats. Ready? Go. And last time we'll do 1 beat with drone just on F. 1 beat per bow. Ready? Go. I hope this video helped as you practice all of your natural minor, melodic minor, and harmonic minor scales. If there's anything that I didn't cover that you still have questions about, please post that in the comments. I really enjoy trying to help from afar. As always, thank you so much for joining me, and happy practicing.